Ever wondered how some profiles have those ultra realistic AI generated headshots? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create stunning professional AI headshots using Canva. And trust me, the results will surprise you. First, open Canva and look for the AI Headshots app. This tool is a game changer because it lets you generate headshots that look incredibly natural. Before you start, you'll need to upload 10 to 20 clear photos of yourself. Make sure your expressions are neutral. This helps the AI create consistent, realistic results. Once your photos are uploaded, you'll need to name your model. This step helps Canva understand which images belong to your personalized AI profile. Next comes the training phase. Canva uses credits to train your model. About 90 credits will get your AI ready, and then you can generate around 40 initial headshots. Once your model is trained, you can start generating your AI headshots. Canva gives you options to tweak facial expressions, lighting, and even backgrounds, allowing you to refine each image until it's just right. The beauty of this method is that you get professional quality, realistic headshots without needing a photo shoot or expensive software. Whether it's for LinkedIn, social media, or any professional profile, AI headshots can elevate your online presence instantly. And there you have it. With a few simple steps and Canva's AI tools, you can create headshots that are both unique and realistic. Give it a try and watch how your online profile transforms in minutes.